to do rich shit, but that hustle hills, yeah. Bitch, I'm really having never late on my bills, yeah. And I'm having goon nigga play, he get spilled, yeah. Play, he get spilled, we can tell that he not real, yeah.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Review Batman with another reaction. Today we got Leray responds to Leray saying she stole his line. Purr. Oh, weak. I'm just laughing for something before the video.
Before we get to this video, make sure y'all hit that like button so we can get the video recommended. Because the more likes I get, the more my videos get recommended. And I really appreciate that.
You said that,
because they're going to keep up in that gang growth. And make sure y'all sub to my channel and turn on post notifications if you're new. At the time I'm recording this video, man, we 15 subscribers away from that 100K, man. So I just want to thank all y'all. I already know we hit it by now, man. But yeah, man, if we don't got it just yet and they don't follow my channel, man, y'all tell the rest of y'all people, man, so we can go and get that. But anyways, y'all, I ain't gonna waste no time. I'm gonna get straight into the video. So Leray, man, he had responded to Courtney Ray.
Oh, look what I just found out, bro. I Got Time kid didn't die.
It's Levi West, aka Lilo West Coast. I'm sorry. Yeah, I had to come out with it now. Y'all was tripping. The kid up in Aurora is not me. I'm not dead. Everybody blasted me up saying I got smoked. I ain't get smoked. I ain't gonna get smoked. Got me bent. Fucked up. Cause today I got time, cuz. Hey. It's amazing what people think they know. Yo, it's Levi West,
that's
aka
very tough. Let's go. Nigga said he faked his death for clout. Young boy would never. Y'all gotta stop, bro.
Because y'all already know she been saying Big Purr lately on, and I guess he invented all of that, and she responded to it.
Oh, what? How you gonna try to steal my word? It never gave steal my word.
Huh?
Oh, Purr.
Dude.
I let it slide when you made that song with Pooh Shiesty and all that. You know what I'm saying? That you do your deal, that you go viral on TikTok.
You got hella spit in your mouth, yeah.
But now you try to call yourself Big Purr, actually running with my word. Oh, it's what Cardi
Shit, my bad.
Or Cardi was never referring to you when she said Purr. Or because Cardi follows me and Cardi wishes something in general. Yeah. And your fans kept sending you in the comments, yeah, give respect to Leray, or you can never run with Leray word. But you still trying to do it. Or I never needed a donation from you, but it's about recognition and where respect. Stop crying so much and don't forget where you came from. Benzino, come get your daughter, yeah.
Stop.
And first of all, I'm not Big Purr. It's
Boy,
not Purr.
first of all, I ain't gonna lie, I don't know if I like them accents like that. I ain't know she was from New Jersey at first, but now, I don't know. I kind of like make her attraction with that. I don't like the way they be talking like that, bro. I don't know. I like these. I like the Southern hoe. Like the way they be talking. I like the way they talk. I ain't gonna say a ghetto hoe, but we say like I like the way they talk down here. Like I don't know if I like the way they talk over there. That's just it ain't turn up, but I don't like that. Like word to my mother. No, bro, that ain't it. Word to my Timbs. I'm weak.
And first of all, I'm not Big Purr. It's not Purr. I'm Big Purr. It's a difference. Stop playing with me. He called me Big Purr. Come make this Purr.
Yeah.
As y'all can see, man, Courtney Ray, man, she said she not Big Purr, she Big Purr.
This nigga stupid, bro.
Nah, literally still say Purr, man.
Stupid,
so she
bro.
gonna be Big Purr. She gotta say it like
up,
that,
bro.
man, cause that is that dude stuff at the end of the day, and it ain't nothing too serious, man. They can go and squash all of this. It ain't nothing to argue over, man. She can just
Who is this
Big
right
Purr,
here?
and this dude can be Big Purr wherever he is, man. I don't even know him. But yeah, y'all, this it for this video. Make sure y'all sub to my channel.
He said, first of all, hey though, man, that's the end of that video. Make sure I hit the like button, hit the sub button. I'm out, man. No cap.